This video will show you how I study functional harmony through analyzing Chopin's Nocturne in E-flat major, Opus 9, number 2. Why study functional harmony? Functional harmony is the basis of most, if not all, modern music, from classical to pop music. Understanding musical pieces at the level of functional harmony will give you insight into how chord progressions and harmonic movements work. Once you've gained that understanding, you can then use that knowledge in your own compositions. This is the final result of this video. From that, here's the chord progression. The takeaway is Chopin is using secondary dominants, which explains why the strength plot varied. These are resources you can watch if you want background music theory to the methods I'm using in this video, link in the description. The steps to understanding functional harmony are: find the key, find the chords used, derive functions of chords. The first step is to find the key. In this example, I have an audio recording of Chopin's Nocturne in E-flat major, Opus 9, number 2. As the title states, the musical piece is in E-flat major. However, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll show you how to derive the key using Sonic Visualiser. Sonic Visualiser is a program for viewing and analyzing the contents of music audio files. In Sonic Visualiser, I've installed a plugin that gives you an output of a key strength plot where the color red indicates where the key likely is. As you can see from the key strength plot, Chopin's piece is indeed in E-flat major. You can also see that Chopin deviates slightly throughout the piece, which indicates he's using notes and chords which are outside of key. The second step is to find out what chords Chopin is using. I use another plugin which estimates the chords in the audio file. The third step is to derive the functions of those chords. Here I use an app called Mapping Tonal Harmony. Mapping Tonal Harmony maps out chords within a given key, both major and minor, along with secondary functions in neighboring keys. Mapping Tonal Harmony also allows you to see the function of those chords. In Mapping Tonal Harmony, I set the key to E-flat major, and I use the chords detected by Sonic Visualiser to infer what the function of each chord is. I do this through trial and error and by going back and forth between Sonic Visualiser and Mapping Tonal Harmony. Not all the chords detected by Sonic Visualiser are important to understanding the basic structure of the chord progression. This is where I use experience and judgment in discerning the crucial elements. The following is the result of my analysis of Chopin. I'll demonstrate by humming the melody while playing the chords in Mapping Tonal Harmony. Da, 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 As stated earlier, mapping tonal harmony allows you to see the function of the chords. From that, here's the chord progression. The takeaway is Chopin is using secondary dominants, which explains why the strength plot varied. I can now take aspects of Chopin's chord movements and his application of secondary dominants and apply it in any key for my own compositions. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.